In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn in Germany, ensuring your browsing is fast, secure, and stream-ready in 2025. Whether you're a digital nomad, an expatriate, or simply someone concerned about online privacy, using a VPN is a crucial step to protect your data and access content seamlessly from anywhere. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to go to the Nordvpn app. It's easily accessible and designed with user-friendliness in mind, perfect for both tech-savvy individuals and those who are venturing into VPNs for the first time. Open your device and navigate to the Nordvpn app either from your home screen or app drawer. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't used it before. A straightforward layout makes it easy to find what you're looking for. Now that you're inside the app, your next move is to click on VPN within the interface. This will take you to the primary screen where you can manage your connections. You might also notice a map view or a list of available countries that you can connect to. It's wonderfully flexible, allowing you to either search for a particular country or visually select it from the map. Clicking on VPN is your gateway to safe browsing and opens up a world of possibilities for content access and privacy management. Once you've clicked on VPN, the next step is to get connected to a German server. This step is crucial if you're aiming to access local content securely, or perhaps want to give a certain impression to websites regarding your location. To do this, locate Germany from the list of countries within the interface or on the map. With just a single click, you'll begin the connection process. It's typically quick, and you'll be notified once you're securely connected. This German server gives you the advantage of browsing as if you're in Germany, making it perfect for accessing German websites, streaming services, and more, with all the benefits of being secure and anonymous. Remember, a stable internet connection is vital during this entire process for a smooth transition between servers. You also might want to double-check that your settings are optimized for what you intend to do online, whether it be streaming, secure browsing, or accessing restricted content. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've managed to set up and use Nordvpn in Germany, providing yourself with enhanced security, privacy, and unrestricted access to content wherever you are. Hopefully, this guide helps you feel more confident in navigating VPNs and understanding the vital role they play in today's digital world. Thank you for joining us. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and insights. See you next time.